Have you ever wondered about pay-per-lead? Do you often wonder how to use pay-per-lead in an affiliate program? Have you found yourself frequently thinking if you have proper knowledge of pay-per-lead affiliate program? If yes, then you have landed on the right video. Welcome back to another episode of Colorful Finance, the #1 source for content centered around earning money from home. We provide you with theoretical experience in our videos and practical experience with the tools we provide you in the description. Subscribe to the channel so you're always up to date with our latest uploads. In this video, we'll take you through everything you need to know about pay-per-lead affiliate programs. Now let's get into it. Most people have heard of affiliate network marketing, and for the most part, people do understand what it is and how it works. What people don't realize is that there are some amazing things happening in the affiliate marketing industry. Pay-per-lead affiliate programs. When affiliate programs first entered the market, most people were a little slow to see their potential. While network marketing had been so huge and the commission structure seemed so much better, affiliate network marketing seemed like too little commission for the effort. It definitely took some time, but soon network marketers started to realize the amazing potential in affiliate marketing, and it is now the fastest growing niche in network marketing. Pay-per-lead affiliate programs, or affiliate marketing programs, were basically an abbreviated version of network marketing with faster results. All forms of network marketing involve some level of sales and involve introducing people to a product or service idea. In network marketing, it is not enough for the individual to want the product, but they have to be so excited about it that they want to get other people interested in it as well. Looking back over my network marketing years, I hate to tally up all the money I lost if the goal had been either to get people interested in the product or get them interested in the business. Plenty of people loved my products, but so few were interested in the business. Perhaps part of that was my fault because I am not the best network marketer out there, and I'm sure I fell short in my delivery a few times. So I did what many people end up doing in network marketing. I quit. For a long time, affiliate marketing didn't interest me because without evaluating it, it looked just like network marketing. It took me several years to understand the difference between the two. The issue that frustrated me in network marketing was the core difference in affiliate marketing. In affiliate marketing, the profit is made whether someone wants to be involved in the business or if they just want the product. It's about as simple as finding a really cool website that you're excited about and telling your friends how cool it is, and so they go and check it out. Of course, you'll need more people than most of us to have friends in order to make a good profit, but the concept is still the same. A good business made even better. Once I began to really understand affiliate marketing and how people were rapidly building fortunes, I was knocked off my socks once again when I discovered a very specific type of affiliate marketing that was blowing the competition away. Pay-per-lead affiliate programs are by far one of the most phenomenal home-based businesses on the net to make money. This is the best of all. I failed network marketing because concepts. With pay-per-lead affiliate marketing plans, you don't even have to sell the product anymore. All my excuses have dwindled from nobody wants to do the business to nobody likes my product, straight down to nothing. With the pay-per-lead affiliate plan, if somebody checks it out and wants to join the business, then that's great. If they're not interested in the business but want to buy the product, then that's great. If they are just looking and have no real idea about what they want, well, then that's great as well, because with pay-per-lead affiliate programs you get paid if all they do is fill out their information. Pay-per-lead affiliate programs are serious money makers if you join the right one. In fact, pay-per-lead affiliate programs may eventually make other affiliate programs completely obsolete. The basic foundation of these programs is based on creating multiple streams of income. We have all heard that expression before, but most often we associate it with having more than one business pulling in a profit. Pay-per-lead affiliate programs allow you to develop multiple streams of income from one business, one marketing effort, and one website. What makes this so phenomenal is that you can actually retain these multiple streams of income from just one visit. Because if Nancy is wandering around out there in cyberspace and she is just looking for a way to bring home a little cash, she may pop in on your website and fill out her information. You get paid for that. 2 weeks later, when Nancy is still wandering around out there, she remembered that she wanted to take a second look at your website, and this time she decides she wants to try the product, so you get paid for that sale. 2 weeks later, she is completely in love with the product, realizes that you got paid twice for her 2 actions, and now she wants in on this business. Yes, you get paid for that, too. From one marketing effort, you receive 3 streams of income. Most of the time, it probably won't happen the way that Nancy went about it. The real point is that a person has options when they come to your affiliate website, and that equals 3 streams of income from the same marketing effort. That's really exciting if you start to realize that some pay-per-lead affiliate programs offer tier payments as well. Tier payments. Tier payments are pretty simple as long as you understand network marketing. Tier payments are the financial heart of the affiliate program compensation plan. Once Nancy came back and realized she wanted to be part of the business plan, she became your first tier downline. Most affiliate programs include the first tier payment. When Nancy gets her first tier downline, they will become your second tier. The process continues all the way down through. Some affiliate plans pay only through the first or second tier payment, while others go to a generous 8 or 10 tier payment plan. While the actual percentages of tier payment plans may seem quite nominal, these payments actually add up to significant sums as long as there is an activity in the tiers. These tiny percentages add to even healthier incomes when you consider that pay-per-lead programs give you 3 streams of income. You are now earning small percentages on 3 separate streams of income for up to 18 people, depending on the tier payment plan. Why not network marketing? If affiliate pay-per-lead programs are so good, you may be wondering why not just get involved again in network marketing. After all, the commissions in network marketing are much higher than affiliate marketing plans. While this may be true, affiliate marketing plans have several distinct advantages over network marketing. Affiliate marketing plans are typically inexpensive to join, and in some cases even free. Multi-level marketing businesses tend to run much higher just for the right to join their program, let alone get into advertising and marketing costs. The costs of some of the better multi-level marketing programs can run in the thousands or even tens of thousands of dollars simply to join the program. Prospects who are truly interested in joining find this startup costs rather prohibitive. Network marketing pays higher commissions, but they only pay commissions. Granted, you receive commissions on several tiers, but unlike pay-per-lead affiliate programs, you cannot readily develop 2 or 3 streams of income from one marketing plan. Network marketing requires at the very least a retail sale to generate commission. Pay-per-lead affiliate programs only require enough interest in the program or product to fill out some contact information in order to receive payment. Some people find network marketing plans suit them perfectly, and they are capable of running a solid business from these plans. However, the majority of new-to-home business opportunity seekers are finding the pay-per-lead affiliate network marketing plan something they feel more confident in finding their success. Confidence is a key factor in success. Belief in the ability to build a reasonable income is half of what it takes to be successful in any web-based business. However, don't feel obligated to take my word for it. There is a fabulous website perfect for finding exactly this type of information. Whether you are looking for a specific affiliate program, pay-per-lead affiliate program, or simply want to compare affiliate programs with multi-level marketing programs, Affiliated is a really excellent resource to help you determine what is right for you. I personally found the information on pay-per-lead affiliate programs life-changing. And, with that, we've reached the end of this video all about pay-per-lead affiliate programs. Let us know in the comments section down below if you enjoyed this episode and found it helpful and interesting. Remember to leave a thumbs up before you leave. Also subscribe to Colorful Finance and click the notification bell so you're always up to date with our latest releases as always. Thanks for stopping by and watching. See you again soon in the next one.